Namaste. A very warm welcome to my channel Yoga Bliss. This channel is all about health, beauty and wellness. Yoga Mudra. Yoga Mudra has many benefits, physical as well as mental. Today we are going to discuss about one mudra, ADIMUDRA. It really balances and relaxes our nervous system. It makes the mind very calm, peaceful and quiet. It brings maximum oxygen to the head. It increases the capacity of lungs. Lot of us have a problem of snoring while sleeping. It reduces that snoring problem. Let's learn ADIMUDRA. This is my hand. This is the base of little finger. Press here with the thumb finger and close all fingers. Let's learn one more time. You can hold this mudra 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, anytime, while sitting and watching the TV, or anytime you feel comfortable, you can hold this mudra. If you practice this mudra every day, you will surely get the result. So what we have learned today? ADIMUDRA. To relaxes, balance the nervous system, to make the mind calm, peaceful and quiet. Namaste and have a great evening.